Hello, my friends, and welcome to today's free flow, which is all about letting go of the past and starting a fresh new day, a fresh new beginning. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Stepping with your feet shoulder width apart, inhale as you stretch out, and exhale as your wrists rotate back, and inhale as you open. Exhale as I rotate forward, and inhale, standing tall and opening. Exhaling, bending at the knees, rotating the wrists back. Inhale, opening. We're getting a full rotation in our wrists, opening up our arms, opening up all of the meridians that flow from our fingertips throughout our arms and our chest, and opening up our heart chakra, our heart energy to activate as we come into a new day. Exhale, rotate back, and inhale, opening up. Exhale as your arms float down, stepping out into a wider stance. You're going to shift your weight from one leg to the next, and as you do so, you're going to allow your spine to wave with your hips. So your hips are carrying the direction and your spine just waves after. So it might help to put one hand on your belly and one on your chest to feel as your hips move, then the top half of your body comes after. It's almost like a dog wagging its tail back and forth. This is hoping to open up the spine, open up all the chakras that run up and down our body. And your breath is natural here as you wave from side to side. So again, really letting your hips pull the upper half of the body. Inhale, your arms sweeping up. Exhale, palms together as you come down into a low squat. Using your elbows to really force apart, push out your thighs to open up your groin. If this feels too intense for you, place your hands on your outer thighs and push out that way. But we want to be opening up our sacral chakra, which is a little bit below our belly button. And when that becomes blocked, we can hold a lot of emotions of guilt or shame, things that often happen from our past that we carry with us into the future. So we're wanting to release those emotions so that we can go into a new day, a new fresh start, feeling happy and open. Breath is natural here, just focusing on opening up that area. Inhale as you come up and exhale as your arms float down. Rub your hands together, creating some heat and friction. Placing your hands on your lower back over your kidneys and creating hip rotations. So rotating as large as you can. Opening up our Meridian, which runs like a belt around the center of our body. And when this becomes blocked, we can feel really heavy. We can feel really disconnected from the top half to the bottom half of our body. So we really want to open this up and switch directions. But we want to open this up so that we can feel one and whole as we step into a fresh new day. Breath is natural and normal here. And coming back into neutral stance, feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees, tall spine, crown of the head up towards the heavens, and arms floating slightly away from the body. Taking a breath here. And we will begin tapping. Tapping on the chest, I choose to see this day as a fresh start. Inner eye, I let go of anything from my past that is weighing on me today. Outer eye, guilt, shame, worry, disappointment. I choose to release you. Under eye, thanking my past for the lessons I learned. then cutting its ties and setting it free. Upper lip, because today is an opportunity to move forward refreshed and renewed. Chin, a chance to step into the person I wish to become. Collarbone, seeing the clear, vibrant path before me. Side of the body, and feeling freer and lighter with every step I take. Top of the head, today is a new day, a fresh start. I am grateful for this chance that life offers me to let go of the past and begin again with a clean slate. One hand on the heart, one on the lower dantian, taking a deep breath in and visualizing that path before you. Maybe it's gold, it's glowing, it's vibrant. It's ready for you to step upon it and take on a new day. Letting go of the past. It's just a blur, it's a fog behind you. The only thing you can see now is this path in front of you. With this path in mind, let's embrace it with open arms. Stepping one leg in front of you, the other behind. Exhale as you come out and inhale as you pull in. Shifting your weight back as you come back and forward as you come forward. So envision coming into that new path, embracing it with open arms and letting go of any shame, guilt, embarrassment, anything from the past that no longer serves you. So scooping up that new vibrant energy and letting go of that negative, unwanted energy that we carry along with us. Inhaling and exhale as we switch sides. Inhale, pull in, exhale out. Inhale in and exhale out. Getting into the flow, letting your breath move the motion. Inhale, scooping up the new energy, bringing it to you, and letting go of what no longer serves you. And back to center, stepping out wide, holding your arms like you're embracing a moon or holding a full moon in between your hands. Exhale as you come down, rotate in front, and inhale as you bring it overhead. Shifting your weight from leg to leg as you rotate this moon around your atmosphere. Exhaling as you come down and inhaling as it comes up. In the Chinese culture, the full moon is seen as a sign of good fortune, abundance, and harmony. So as we step into this new day, as we have this fresh start, we're embracing the good fortune and harmony of the new moon. And rotate directions. Allowing this moon to encapsulate us, to surround us in its energy. Inhale up and exhaling down. Feeling the energy of the new moon, the full moon pull into your system, into your body. And exhale as your arms float down. Coming back to center. Again, slight bend in the knees, spine tall and strong, crown of the head up towards the heavens, placing your hand on your lower dantian, bringing your breath all the way down to your lower belly. Just focusing on your body, on the energy that you have cultivated. Feeling brighter, freer, vibrant. more confident and clear as you step into a new day. You've let go of everything from the past, and you're stepping into a new day with a clean slate. Making small rotations over your lower dantian to really lock in and seal in all of that energy. Big breath in and sigh as you let it go. As always, thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you all next week. Goodbye for now.